welcome back to my channel, and I really wish and pray that you all are keeping safe and healthy back at homes in this great pandemic. And I really wish this thing ends real quick, so let's hope for the best. So today I thought of sharing with you all about a very common thing, and that is aloe vera gel. We all use aloe vera in our day-to-day life, and as you all know, aloe vera is known as the natural moisturizer. It helps to fight all our skin problems. It is the solution to all our skin problems, may that be redness, allergies, sunburns, or any such thing. And in this busy world where we are all running to fulfill our future, to fulfill our aims, it is very difficult for us to take out time from our busy schedule and to take care of our skin. So this is the reason why we get so many skin problems. We have to face so many skin problems and our skin gets dehydrated. So I've come across this great Avon Naturals aloe vera hydration face mask, which is going to solve all your problems. And please guys, a real quick tip, that is, the heat is increasing. It's summer days, as you all know. So please drink a lot of water to keep yourself and to keep your skin hydrated. So I'm going to speak about this face mask, how to use it, and what are the good benefits of this face mask. So let's get on it. Guys, this is the face mask and it carries about 75 grams of the product. I'll show you how it looks. This is how it looks. And MRP is $349, but you will get at a cheaper price if you buy it during offer time. So this mask is really a good one. I have been using this past 3 years now, and whenever I get any problem like skin rashes or generally have the problem of acne, so whenever I get these acne problems, pimples on my skin, the first thing that I use is this mask, and believe me, this works as a miracle. So please guys, do give it a try and I'll show you how to apply it. So you can apply it with your brushes or else you can use your fingers. But be sure before applying it, you have cleansed your face properly with your face wash so that there is no dirt left on your skin. So just take in small quantity and apply it all over your face. So after applying it, leave it for around 25 minutes. If you want, you can keep it for more. There is no harm in that. It's been 25 minutes guys, so y'all can see that it has dried up into my skin, and now all you need to do is just go and wash your face with normal water. So I'll just go and wash my face with normal water. So I have washed my face and now y'all can see that the mask has given me a healthy glow and my skin feels and looks much more beautiful now. Like, it has moisturized my skin. I'm feeling more soft and supple now. The mask also provides 24-hour hydration. It is going to protect your skin from all the dry effects of the environment. It is also going to soften all the dry lines that are there in your skin. So guys, you can definitely give this product a try. You can get this product from any Avon representative if you all know. If you all don't, do not worry. I'm going to attach a link in the description box of an Instagram account, Avon Shoppe. Do visit that account, buy this product and give it a try. Let me know you liked it or not, how you felt it, what was your experience. So thank you for watching.